Hi everyone, and welcome back to Uh-Oh, She's in the Kitchen. For today's video, we are going to learn how to make a jalapeno chicken recipe. I am super excited to try this one out. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. The ingredients that I will be using: soy sauce, honey, cornstarch, your seasonings, crushed chili red pepper, onion, garlic, jalapeños, and of course your chicken. And I am using chicken thighs. All right, let's cut up our garlic. Next, we're gonna dice our onion. And now I'm gonna cut up the jalapeños. Now I'm gonna cut up my chicken thighs into smaller pieces. Okay, now that our chicken thighs have been cut up into smaller pieces, we're gonna go ahead and add salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some cornstarch. Now we're gonna give our chicken a good mix. Okay, in a hot pan with oil, we are gonna go ahead and add our chicken. I'm going to cook my chicken in medium-high heat. Once the chicken is thoroughly cooked through, I'm going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. All right, my chicken is ready, so I'm going to take it out of the pan and set it aside. All right, in the same pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic, and we're gonna add our onion. We're gonna saute the onions and the garlic for a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna add our jalapeños. We're gonna saute this for another minute or two. All right, after a couple minutes of sauteing your onions and your jalapeños, we're gonna add soy sauce, a little bit of water, and some honey, and some crushed red peppers. We're gonna give this a good mix. And we're gonna let it simmer for about a minute. Now that everything is sizzling, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken back to the pan. We're gonna give this another good mix to incorporate all of these yummy flavors. And now your chicken is ready to be served. Okay, now let's give our jalapeno chicken a taste test. I paired mine with just white rice. All right, this chicken tastes amazing. I love the taste of that spicy jalapeno that we get, along with a little bit of the sweetness with the honey. And then you get that saltiness because we added the soy sauce. All of that combined tastes absolutely amazing. This recipe is so good. It pairs very well with white rice. But if you want to add a different sides to your chicken, you are more than welcome to, but this is absolutely amazing. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This recipe was very easy to follow. I loved all the flavors that were incorporated. I loved the saltiness from the soy sauce, the sweetness from the honey, and the spiciness from the jalapeños, and all of those flavors combined with the chicken. It just absolutely tasted so good. I will leave all of the ingredients down below in the description box, as well as the measurements, and I will tag the person of where I found this recipe from. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.